Hi, today we're going to be talking about caring. Why should you care? Because God cares. He treats everyone nicely, He's kind to them, and He helps them out whenever they need it.
So, today we're talking about caring, and there are some Bible verses that talk about that too, so let's read them. The first one is Matthew chapter 25 verse 40, and it says, "The king will reply, 'Truly I tell you, whatever you did for one of the least of these brothers and sisters of mine, you did for me.'" So who are the least? Sometimes that means the people that society doesn't pay attention to. Maybe the kids at school that no one's hanging with because they think they're weird or something. The homeless, the sick. Yeah, everybody deserves care. So we need to pay attention to those people too. Another verse is Ephesians chapter 4 verse 32, and it says, "Be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other just as in Christ God forgave you." So if we know that God forgave us for our shortcomings and still showed compassion to us, we can do the same thing to other people. It's returning the favor, doing to others as we want done to us.
Now that we've heard a Bible verse about caring, here are some words that you can say to the people around you to let them know that you care. To your parents, you can say, "I'm thankful that I have a happy home." To your siblings, you can say, "I'm thankful that you played with me. I love how you throw the baseball, the basketball, or kick the soccer ball." And to your friends, you can say, "I'm so glad that you all are great friends, that you play with me, you talk to me, we're able to hang out together and enjoy each other." And lastly, we can say that we're thankful to God for everything that He does for us. He provides for us, He loves us, He protects us, and He cares for us. So make sure when you're praying that you thank God for everything that He's done for you.
So we talked about ways you can use your words to show you care, but how can you use your actions? One way is to be a listening ear for your friends. If they need someone to talk to, that can be you. Another way is to support your friends. Did something good happen in their lives? Do they have a baseball game? You can be their cheerleader, not a literal one like, "Rah, rah, here we go."
So today we're going to learn the care cheer. Ready? Okay, give me a C. A-R-E, care.
But just being there and happy for them. Another way is to lend a helping hand. Do your parents need help around the house? Are your friends working on a new project or something? Offer to help. You'll find that as you do things for other people, they'll be willing to do things for you, and it's just an exchange of caring for each other. Happy caring!